We have been working closely with SAP for the last 3 years, and this is the first time we have organized a boot camp for the regional startups from Rajasthan and Gujarat, and I think overall it was a great learning experience for the participants.
So as a first generation entrepreneur, definitely ideation is the first stage, and from then on things become a bit difficult. We luckily got funded by SAP through their grants.
For a social entrepreneur, usually it happens that we are so much into the development or for the progress and for generating rural livelihood, we sometimes forget about the real business.
A lot of my doubts related to finance, valuation, legal matters, scale up, I would say, are completely addressed now. I feel that I almost graduated an MBA program.
Through this program, we met the lot of entrepreneurs, those who are in this current stage and how they are planning to move for the next phase.
We got to learn so many things such as design thinking, financial aspects of a startup, how to prepare and pitch your startup to somebody, how to see your startup from investors' perspective.
So it was more activity-based learning that we did. It was you implement and then you test. So we did various activities all the way from understanding yourself to designing a financial model for your own business. And it was a do-it-yourself task.
The problem comes is when you have to take care of the finance department, you have to take care of the accounts, you have to take care of the marketing or the sales part. All these things mean a lot, in the initial phases in terms of time that is to be spent on that particular thing.
Earlier we had a mindset, because we don't come from a management background or a master's in business administration. So our mindset was not actually functioning in the way a business mindset should work.
What we over a period of time learn is the importance of design thinking, the importance of how along with the product you are also should be equally capable of designing a business out of it.
Initially I was expecting there would be a networking event and some knowledge session, but when we experienced it in the IIM Ahmedabad campus with IIM Ahmedabad faculties, directly hitting the pain point of startups, we have a huge, immense opportunity of networking with other social entrepreneurs.
This is of course a wonderful opportunity for all the startups operating on the social upliftment or the rural livelihood.
I would like to specially thank SAP for helping early stage startups like us.
CIIE and SAP is a team which is really helping the startup, not just by words, not just by jargons. They're actually working hand in hand with startups.
I strongly recommend, for all the startups, irrespective of whether you are a social startup or into fintech or agri-tech, to take up this extensive bootcamp, which will not only help you to understand deeper into the customer segment, but also help scale your startup and devise more strategic decisions as you move ahead.
If you look at some of the startups in the SAP Social Entrepreneurship Program, they are solving some of the pressing problems that our country is facing. Many of these startups are working towards creating a more inclusive India, driving the economy towards a higher level of digitization. I would like to thank SAP for coming forward and collaborating closely with CIIE in supporting some of the regional startups which are going to be the future companies that we are probably going to see.